Hello and welcome. This is a Teach Me Forex Swing It Position weekly wrap-up session. It's May 9th, 2009, so welcome back, traders of the world, and let's right away flash back quickly on last week's results. We still had one trade open, and what a trade it was. It really was our big kahunas. It took us for 148 pips, and the week ended up at a plus 18.5%. Gross profit, so that's excellent. Finally, we did have a good week. It's definitely not as tantalizing as this week, or is it? Well, this week we are suffering our first losing week of the year. Plain out it is. I think this is the third official losing week that since we've been tracking records on this, so not a big deal. Minus 13 pips, and we didn't even lose 2% of our account. So we kept our losses short, and the winners, well, they just won't come to us as big as we wanted them. So that's it. But we're limiting stuff, and one trade, one winners could take that care of all of that, and you all know it. So still positive. It's a struggling week, but hey, there it is. So what does this mean as far as money is concerned? Well, we didn't lose much. That's what it means. But let us introduce these three traders: Peter Piper, Susie Lovelots, and Bubba Big Shot. They've been through the program. They attend the Swing and Po room on a daily basis. They just have different level of experience. They each started 2 trading accounts to trade in the Swing and Po room early this year. 1 compounder, 1 reward account. Peter started with $500 in each. We had Susie. She started with $2,000 in each. And Mr. Big Shot, the Bubba guy here, started with 10 grand in each. So there you go. And here's a synopsis of the trades that were this week. So we made 10 calls triggered. And we had 5 winners, but I'll tell you, 3 of them were kind of 1 pippers, break evens, and 1 was a very small win, 9 pips, and the other, I think our biggest win this week was 25 pips. Well, more on that later. 5 losers. We ended up losing 13 pips, and that represents a minus 1.5%, just like that, minus right here, and that's real important. All right, so here are the particulars. So as I said, the biggest trade came in the Canadian 15 minutes. It was a 25 pippers, but that wasn't even enough to take us. It's ended up minus 13. You'll see a 1 pipper here, a 1 pipper here, a 1 pipper here, a 9 pips there, and a 25 pips, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losers. So very simple here this week. Small wins, small losses, ended up negative. So did our traders take all of these trades? Indeed they did. In order for the probabilities to play themselves out and be reflected in their account, they must take all the potential setups offered to them. So that's the way it is. And well, the goals for our various account this week, we never got to our reward account. We never got even close to compound 10% on our compounding account number 1. So let's go see where we're at now. Peter started at $500 in each account. Well, he's just now shy of he's at $28.50 in account number 1, still at $22.74 in account number 2. Lost $43 this week. Susie Lovelots from her 2000s is now 11.4 in 1, and the reward accounts is just under 10 grand there, just at $3 under 10 grand. She lost $173 this week. And we've got Bubba, Mr. Big Shot, just above 57 grand here in his compound account, and the reward account, well, still lingering around $45,000. For a while there, the reward account were much bigger than the compound accounts, but for the last few weeks, the markets have been non-trending on a consistent basis there, and it's been really trying to get to try to trade inside our reward accounts, and you can see that the compound account have now outpaced the profits of the reward account. Well, you know what? That can turn around. All we need is one of those 50% return on investment week, and the reward account will be right back in the swing of things. So more on that later. So again, 10 trades, 5 winners, but only within those 5 winners, there's 3 pretty much break even with 1 pip trade. 5 losers, minus 13 pips. We lost 1.5% this week. So now, are we expected to take every single one of these trades, you ask, to the exact pip? And my answer to you is right back a big yes, because the money management rule and the swing and position phase are fully mechanical. We're talking entry, stop loss, profit taking. So we're all set to do the same moves at the same exact time. There's no other ways about it. So no matter who's managing the trade, we're getting the exact same results. So that's why we like to focus trading this system as a team, because everyone does the same thing. It's fully mechanical. And we believe in this. Give a man a fish, he eats for a day. Teach him how to fish, he will eat for a lifetime. And we apply that to Forex on a daily, on a weekly, and on a monthly basis. So let us be your Forex fishing guides, guys. And it starts right here at www.teachmeforex.com. There you find out what we are, what we do, who we are, how we do it, and how to join us in one of our exciting team trade rooms. Do it right now. Do it today, so you can be there next week and help us fulfill our vision. Let us create the largest team of successful online currency traders in the world, one trader at a time. Will you be next? And finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a superb weekend.